Hi you guys, I'm at the Goodwill on Austin Bluffs in Academy. So I'm here at Hard Goods already. It's right behind me, so we'll start there. See some things already. I might add one black swan, $1.29. I think just for fun I'll add one black swan to my Christmas. And I picked this up off the end cap. That's really cute, isn't it? Yeah. $1.99. Oh, wait a minute. It's got a little crack. Okay. Darn, because that's really pretty. Let's set it back. Sorry. Sorry. That's kind of cool. Didn't even see that. Edged glass filled in with gold. There's only one, though. Okay, anyways, I saw something here. Oh, this raccoon. $1.29, yes. That's an interesting raccoon. Little bunny, I've got plenty of those. Salt and pepper turkey. Oh, what is that? I like this stuff that's a little more unusual, you know? Less competition. How much was that? Oh, it hangs. Yeah. You can hang it. That's kind of cool. Broken though, darn. I was going to see how much that was. Oh well, that was fun to look at anyways. Fun to look at. That ice chunk glass. And some clear depression glass or early American pressed glass. I'm not quite sure. I don't buy a lot of it, you guys. Is that an owl? Let's set this up. Yeah, a little glass owl. $1.99. Looks okay. I'll set that in there. They've only been open for a little bit, so it's still somewhat quiet. I had to get up early. I had a Medes ball treatment. Made in Japan, Tilso. I know that name. $6.99. It doesn't always sell for a whole lot. I better pass on that at that price. Oh, look at the lion. Last video I bought a tiger at Willowstone. Kind of matches this. This one's been repaired though. Darn. Oh, that's just too much, you guys. That's too much, right? But it would go with that tiger. Some little pottery mug. Signed. If we see another one, we'll come back for it. Old school poker chip holder. Lucite handle. That's pretty cool. $1.99. That's a maybe for sure. Piece of art glass down here, you guys. That looks pretty modern. It's only $1.99 though. I'm actually gonna pass, believe it or not. This is more interesting. Easy. Yes, from Mexico. And it has, oh, I think that's a good name. Let's check this out. Yeah, I think I might get that. I gotta fit this in the cart. I'll be right back. That's an interesting little upcycle job. Wine glass upside down, votive, and then inside is some laser cut wood. That looks pretty old. That looks pretty old. Might give that a quick little Google here in a minute. Pineapple, but that's new, but it's cute. I mean modern, not new. signed, but it's been repaired. Little fire dog. Got some Christmas ornaments out, huh? There's some art glass. $129. You can hang it. Not loving it. I'm sounding kind of picky today, aren't I? Guess I am because, you know, I've kind of been working on the clothing for a while now. That's an interesting mermaid. $129. Yeah, let's get that. Hey, I sold a bundle of these at the booth. It was one of the first things I sold. Wow, that's a big bundle too. Oh, broken. They're both broken. 1983. This has been repaired. It's just lucite, but it's been repaired. Those bottles are pretty contemporary repops. A rhino with a bird on it. That's interesting. Let's see whose that is. Opal House. Oh. I just sold that spoon rest that I found here the other day, or at the Goodwill. It sold pretty quick. If there's a couple more, we'll come back and grab that too. This is a shelf sitter somebody made. That's cute. I don't know if it'll work on that. Yeah, it does. Little shelf sitter bunny. Just checking the end caps before we go down. There are a lot of these. Okay. I've got quite a few pieces I've been saving of the Weeping Bright. I've got Weeping Bright Gold and a couple Weeping Bright Silver. This one I'm just not real sure about. This is a Jim Beam, but I think some Jim Beam's decanters do resell. I think I want this because that's still kind of cool and it doesn't say Jim Beam on it anywhere else, right? So that's kind of a cool mid-century modern Hollywood Regency vibe that will go with the other Weeping Brights. That will go with the other Weeping Brights that I have. I think I'll get that. It's $5.99, so I'm taking a chance. Okay, where are we at now? In the last video we talked about stuff like this. It's so pretty, but not highly functional anymore, especially like not microwavable. Not that you would put this stuff in a microwave. It is marked. This one's got a lot of fading though. Asian or Polynesian influence. No, I'm gonna say Asian because of the mark on the back. That looks like a Japanese mark. Some more milk glass. I'll pick up some cool milk glass. I just sold 2 pieces the other day. Westmoreland matching set. It was nice. Really nice. Okay, gotta chat. I'm just chatting, you guys, because of the music. So forgive me if some of it's just babbling nonsense. Oh, the zoo. We have a pretty awesome zoo. It's not bad. Oh, that's cute. We're gonna pull that out. Hang on. It's just an egg dish. And I don't know who does that anymore, but that's fun. Let's see if it's vintage. No, by Teleflora, really? Exclusive ceramic egg platter. Oh, painted in Portugal. Well, that's a tempting one to me. How much is it? There's no price. Darn, it's hard because I don't know. Like, these days we don't really like set food out, you know, not covered. Well, I don't. I try to find things that have cool covers. Alright, some of you are gonna be like, look at those, look at those. Can't. Okay, Japanese, made in Japan. Made in Japan. $3.69. Alright, I flipped to the other side. The rest was just like clear glass and I didn't see anything. Oh, that's interesting. $1.99. Oh, Anthropology. Can I see that? Anthropology. Wonder if there's any more. Let's see if there's any more. That's a maybe. Those are cute. There's a nice set of them. Just out of curiosity, let's see whose they are, but it's got that gold trim that I'm not. Oh. The pattern is tropic. It's pretty, but this might be another. Nope. I was gonna say another Anthropology. It's 10. It's 10. Nice. I like these with the cherries on. I thought that was Corel. I would go for some Christmas Corel. Corel has some staying power. I don't think I see a matching Anthropology. I might still look it up and get that though. Let's switch aisles. I took a quick peek at furniture. Interesting pieces. Nothing I think I'll buy today. So coming over here to look at Afghans, see if there's any Afghans around. Just ran into a nice lady, Julie, if you're watching. Where'd she go? Oh, I was going to ask her if she wanted to say hi. She's just shopping, recognized me and said hi. So hi, Julie, if you're watching. We just got done chatting. Let's see what this is. Okay. Well, pretty pilled. Let me come around. Oh, this one looks nice. How much is it? $9.99. Price is up there a little bit. That's still in pretty good condition. Not bad colors. Gray, maroon, white, black. That's a lot though. Well, not a lot, but you know, more than I normally pay. We'll see if it makes it to half price. Not a lot on the rounders today, but I'll grab something and show you if I see it. And I don't see any quilts. Let's go see what's happening in purses. You know what though? I'm gonna look at something I hardly ever look at because I think I'm gonna do a collab with Fat Bird Finds soon. And they like to sell a lot of linens and lady gowns. So we're gonna look for some lady gowns too for lingerie. And I'm not good at linens, but I've been, you know, I watch a lot of sales. You might not see me in the chat, but I'm watching my friends and their sales probably while I'm listing, or Holland, probably while I'm listing or something, you know, and then I'll peek over when I hear or see something interesting. So I'm trying to learn because they have viewers that like to buy the linens. So maybe I try to pick up a few. I need to know what I'm doing in that though. Well, I'm making one more pass through because I heard them putting stuff up while I was on the other side. I think that's missing a piece. Is that a Fenton maybe? I'm not sure. It's missing something though. But anyways, here we go. Let's get to it. Get the brass cat, and we're gonna get all of these. I haven't even looked at them. I just saw them dumped in here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this one does say Murano. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Little piggy with little baby piggy, a turtle, a flamingo, a deer. Okay, I'll take them all. I'll take them all. Oh, what's this? That wasn't here earlier. Fenton Rose Crest. There's no price on it. We'll see. Okay, let me load these up. Those are awesome. And we're gonna go look at jewelry. Okay, I set them all out for you guys. Oh, this wasn't a good choice though, was it? Darn, sorry. Nothing's broken, even on the flamingo. That's crazy. They're adorable. Look at that piggy. And then the silver, the Rose Crest Fenton. That label, that's typically means it came out of a booth. Someone closed their booth or something. Let me see if that's a better. Okay, I should have put them up better. But anyways, there they are. They're adorable. Okay, I'm gonna put them back in the cart and we'll look at jewelry. I don't know if you guys can see. You know, you can't really see the quality like I can. Sorry, but I really don't see anything I want to pull out. Anything that looks real quality or vintage. I hope you trust me. Yeah, I don't see anything, you guys. Oh, no, that doesn't look vintage. It was close. The little white roses. That was close, but I know you guys can't probably tell. But I think I see some jewelry bags. Let's see where they're pricing their jewelry bags at today. $30, and those aren't very big. Those are not very big. Cheaper than the other Goodwill though. They do $60. Some nice rhinestone down there, but let's see if any of it looks vintagey. Just looking at the closures. Well, that might be it for the jewelry. Nothing today. Okay, back to the mirror to say goodbye. I'm pretty happy with what I found today. I hope you guys had a little bit of fun too, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.